The biggest one being the Federal Trade Commission blocking the acquisition. They were arguing that if Microsoft was to acquire all of the properties under Activision Blizzard, they would then have the means and motivation to harm competition and be very anti-competitive because they could basically take something like Call of Duty exclusive to Xbox. This was a big talking point, actually, Call of Duty in particular, but Activision Blizzard has major heavy hitters in the video game space, and they were arguing that under Microsoft's control, they wouldn't really have incentive to release a quality product on rival consoles like Sony's PlayStation. So they were a bit concerned about, this being anti-competitive and maybe potentially even forming a monopoly down the line, so they motioned to block this acquisition.